Today we're going to share with you 10 awesome things to do while visiting Niagara Falls, Canada. Now there are so many things to do while visiting Niagara Falls, I can't possibly share them all with you, but here are 10 of my favorites to get you started if you are planning a trip to one of the most amazing places on this planet. Now they are not in any particular order, however I have saved my favorite attraction for last, which is one I think that everyone should do while visiting Niagara Falls. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first item on our list is exploring the Upper Niagara Falls or Fallsview area. Now this area is a vibrant and exciting destination that offers something for everyone. One of the top attractions in this area is the Skyline Tower, which provides stunning panoramic views of the Niagara Falls and surrounding areas. From the tower's observation deck, visitors can enjoy a meal at the revolving restaurant or take in a thrilling 3D movie experience. In addition to the Skyline Tower, Fallsview boasts numerous casinos, including the Fallsview Casino Resort, where visitors can try their luck at slot machines, table games, and more. There are also countless restaurants and dining options in this area, ranging from casual cafes to high-end restaurants with breathtaking views. With so much to see and do, Fallsview is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Niagara Falls. Number 2 on our list is exploring Clifton Hill. Now, Clifton Hill is a vibrant and exciting entertainment district located here in Niagara Falls. The area is famous for its bright lights, family-friendly attractions, and carnival-like atmosphere. Visitors to Clifton Hill can enjoy a wide range of activities, including playing mini golf, go-karting, or even bowling. The district is also home to numerous museums, wax museums, and haunted houses, providing entertainment for visitors of all ages. In addition to the attractions, Clifton Hill offers an abundance of restaurants, cafes, and ice cream shops, making it a great destination for a day or night out. Whether you're visiting with family or friends, Clifton Hill is sure to provide a memorable and fun-filled experience. So number 3 on the list is definitely one of my favorites. It's Journey Behind the Falls. Journey Behind the Falls is a thrilling and unforgettable attraction located in Niagara Falls, Canada. Visitors to the attraction can experience the awe-inspiring power of the Niagara Falls like never before. By descending 150 feet below ground level, visitors can get up close and personal with the mighty Horseshoe Falls, one of the largest waterfalls in the world. The journey begins with an elevator ride down to the base of the falls, where visitors can walk through a series of tunnels and observation decks to experience the thundering roar of the falls from behind. The attraction also offers educational exhibits about the geological history of Niagara Falls. For those seeking an immersive and unforgettable experience, Journey Behind the Falls is a must-visit attraction in Niagara Falls. Number 4 on our list is the Great Canadian Midway. The Great Canadian Midway is a lively and entertaining indoor amusement park located on Clifton Hill in Niagara Falls. This attraction is a popular destination for families and groups, offering a wide range of arcade games, rides, and interactive experiences. Visitors can enjoy classic games like skee-ball or whack-a-mole, or try their luck winning prizes at the many carnival-style games throughout the Midway. The attraction also features a variety of thrilling rides, including the Cosmic Coaster Motion Simulator and the spooky Ghost Blaster Dark Ride. Number 5 is just taking in the views of Horseshoe Falls. Horseshoe Falls is one of the most breathtaking and awe-inspiring natural wonders in the world. It is the largest and most powerful of the 3 waterfalls that make up Niagara Falls, and its unique shape resembles a horseshoe, hence the name. The falls are an incredible 170 feet tall and span 2,600 feet across, making it a magnificent sight to behold. Visitors to Horseshoe Falls can witness the tremendous power and force of the water as it cascades over the edge and crashes into the river below. The falls are illuminated at night, providing a stunning visual display that is not to be missed. Horseshoe Falls is a must-see attraction for anyone visiting Niagara Falls, offering a truly unforgettable experience of natural beauty and power. Number 6 on our list is visiting the Niagara SkyWheel. The Niagara SkyWheel is a towering Ferris wheel located on Clifton Hill, and it has breathtaking views of the falls and surrounding area. Rising 175 feet above the ground, the SkyWheel features fully enclosed gondolas that provide a safe and comfortable experience for riders of all ages. Each ride on the SkyWheel lasts approximately 8 to 12 minutes, during which visitors can take in stunning panoramic views of the falls, the Niagara River, and the skyline. The SkyWheel is illuminated at night, creating a beautiful and romantic atmosphere that is perfect for couples or families looking to create lasting memories. Number 7 on our list is the Wildplay Zipline to the Falls. The Wildplay Zipline to the Falls is a thrilling and adventurous attraction located along the shores of the Niagara River. Visitors to the attraction can experience the exhilaration of soaring above the Niagara River and taking in breathtaking views of the falls. With 4 parallel zip lines, riders can race each other to the finish line, making it a fun and exciting activity for groups and families alike. So number 8 is riding the Go-Karts at the Niagara Speedway. The Niagara Speedway Go-Karts are a thrilling and exciting attraction located in the Clifton Hill area. The track is unique and features a figure-8 course, multiple levels, and hairpin turns, allowing riders to experience the excitement of go-karting like never before. The attraction is suitable for all ages, with double carts available for younger children to ride along with an adult. Whether you're a racing enthusiast or looking to have fun with the family, Niagara Speedway Go-Karts is an experience that you won't want to miss when visiting Niagara Falls. Number 9 on our list is walking the main boardwalk or walkway overlooking the Niagara River. The Niagara Falls main boardwalk walkway is a picturesque promenade that offers stunning views of the falls and its surrounding attractions. Starting at the Table Rock Welcome Center, the walkway leads visitors through the beauty of the manicured gardens of Queen Victoria Park, where they can take in the breathtaking scenery and watch the falls cascade down into the Niagara River. The walkway also leads to the Rainbow Bridge, which provides access to the United States. Along the way, visitors can stop at various restaurants, souvenir shops, and other attractions, making it a fun and enjoyable experience for the whole family. The Niagara Falls main boardwalk walkway is a must-visit attraction for anyone looking to take in the natural beauty of the falls. So number 10, the last item on our list, and this was definitely my favorite thing we did while visiting Niagara Falls, Canada, is riding the Hornblower boat to Niagara Falls. This is a must-do experience for anyone visiting Niagara Falls. If you're taking this tour from the American side, it's also known as the Maid of the Mist. The Hornblower is a 2-story boat that takes visitors on a thrilling and unforgettable journey into the heart of the falls. The boat ride offers breathtaking views of the falls and surrounding area, with the mist and spray of the falls creating a refreshing and exhilarating experience. The boat ride is suitable for all ages, making it a fun activity for families, couples, or a group of friends. A ride on the Hornblower is the best way to experience the sheer power and magnificence of the Niagara Falls, making it the highlight of any trip to the area. So I hope you enjoyed this video of 10 awesome things to do while visiting Niagara Falls, Canada. If you have more ideas of what to do while visiting, please write them in the comments below to help others out who are planning a trip to this location. Thank you so much for watching today. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Northern Viking Explorer. Until next time, thank you for watching and take care.